In this instructional video, I'll guide you through the steps to embark on some thrilling co-op action in Helldivers 2 online. The process is straightforward, so stay tuned and follow along closely. I'll walk you through inviting your buddies to form a squad and dive into the adrenaline-pumping missions together. First things first, once you've completed the tutorial or training drill, you'll find yourself aboard a vessel. From here, you can initiate the necessary briefings and queue up for any available missions. Now, when you navigate to the social menu, you'll see a list of friends currently added on your specific platform. For instance, if you're playing on PC like me, you'll spot all your Steam friends who also own Helldivers 2. Conversely, if you're on PlayStation, your PlayStation Network friends owning the game will populate this list. Once you've identified the friend you want to team up with, simply select them. You'll then have the option to either invite them to your squad or join theirs directly. Either way, both of you will seamlessly sync up and find yourselves in the same squad, ready to tackle missions together. Remember, you can have up to 4 players in one squad. Checking the Game tab will show you the current lineup of your squad mates. Now, what if you're playing on PC while your friend is on PlayStation, or vice versa? Not to worry, you can easily bridge this platform gap by generating a friend code. Simply hit the display button to generate the code, then use the search function in the social tab to input the code. This allows your friend to find you, send a friend request, and once accepted, you'll be connected just like any other friend, ready to join each other's squads. I trust these instructions have illuminated the path to enjoying Helldivers 2 in co-op mode online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your appreciation with a like and subscribe for more handy tips. Thank you for tuning in and happy diving.